What's up, guys? So I've been driving the S13 around for like the last 3 days and it's been amazing. The car feels so good. It makes me happy. I love this thing. So last time we left off, you guys saw that I relipped my front wheels. And we did it in-house in kind of a sketchy manner, but it worked. And I got a lot of comments saying, oh, those things will never balance out again. It'll never hold air, blah, 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 blah. And 3 days later, they balanced out perfectly, and it hasn't dropped a single PSI in any wheel. So for you guys who wanted to try this, I hope that's some confidence for you guys. It works. Just take your time and be patient. And like I said, it does work. So prove the haters wrong. So as you guys know, I like to keep you guys up to date because I don't want you guys to miss out. And you know we've been going hard trying to get the whole office loft this done because we got some pretty big plans for it. So last time we left off, we laid the epoxy floor. If you guys didn't watch that video, go watch it because it was sick. And the results were amazing. So huge shout out again to CT Epoxy Floor Systems for coming and hooking it up. So now we're on the step that's exciting because it's getting there, but this is probably the most annoying, most messy, most tedious step, and that is actually laying a compound on the drywall, which means we actually have to lay this stuff that I call wall bondo because we have to fill every single imperfection, screw hole, seam, everything, and sand it down until it's perfectly smooth, just like Bondo on a car. And we even have to do the ceiling, which sucks, even when you're 30 feet tall like me. So probably gonna spend the next like 2 hours of my life sanding compound and being covered in white dust. So we'll get to fun car stuff after that, but we gotta get some work done. So let's sand some compound and see what's on the agenda for today. Man, I need Brian.
Many minutes later.
This sucks so much. I think my reinforcements just pulled up. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put this boy to work.
Body man Brian. Yo, what's up, dude? More like body man Jimbo. Look at yourself. You're looking like freaking Casper the Friendly Ghost.
We gotta sand literally all of this down and then do another coat and sand all of that down and possibly do a third coat.
Probably. In uncertain areas, do a third coat.
Yeah. 2 coats I'm going for. Let's get back to work.
One eternity later.
All right, so we got about another 3 hours of sanding and laying compound in there today, which isn't the most entertaining thing in the world, but it's got to get done and it's part of the process. But while I have a lot of your guys' attention right now, I want to ask for your opinion or talk about something, I guess it is. So we're kind of at that point at the shop where we don't really have a big project going on, and so it's kind of all like the lingering stuff afterwards. Like the S13, it's been fun, it's been awesome. The main build of it is done. Now it's on the road, it's driving, it feels great, and it doesn't really have much of a purpose other than the fact that I just wanted a car that was nice to drive around and just something I really wanted for a long time. There's still a lot of small trinkets and stuff I want to buy for it, like any point in a project, you know, like there's a lip, you know, I want to get a lip, a wing, all that good stuff, and then of course it needs paint. And paint is long-term a lot of work and really expensive, and I really don't want to ask Brian to help me do that until finishes his Mark III that he's been trying to paint for a long time now. And of course, as soon as he's done with that, I really want to get this thing painted and mocked up because that's really the important one right now. So besides that, I mean, all the other cars are kind of like, they're like done. They could still all use a lot of fun parts and upgrades, but of course, like that's random stuff here and there and just expensive. So I really want to get into like a new build and something to kind of look forward to, something different. And I know we've been doing a lot of like the street car builds, you know, just building cars because I like the style of them, and of course a lot of drift cars, and that's of course because drifting is my favorite form of motorsports, and when I have the opportunity, like the funnest thing sounds like drifting to me, so we just keep building drift cars, but whatever. So that being said, I don't want to build it, I do, but I don't want to build another drift car for the next build, and I want to build something that you guys really want to see because, I mean, you guys watch and I want to keep you guys happy. So I've gotten a lot of comments in the past for, you know, the purpose of cars, I guess you could say, for drag cars, autocross cars, time attack cars, rally cars, or whatever. I mean, even the car doesn't even need to have a purpose. Like maybe you guys just want to see a cool swap, you know? I'm not gonna say I do a Maserati engine inside a Pontiac Fiero, but I'm always down for whatever. And maybe, I mean, even we could tackle something different, like a rotary or a diesel, I'd be really down to try that. So let me know what you guys think below. If you guys see a similar idea to yours, just give it a like or give it a comment below it, because I'd like to see it kind of compound up so I'm not just like scrolling, seeing a million comments. And I'd really love to do the next build on something you guys would really want to see. And I mean, maybe you guys don't know what you want to see, and if you see something below in the comments that you think would be cool to watch, give that a like too. So today is honestly not going to be that entertaining because we got a lot of compound and sanding to do, and it's not really fun, but it's got to get done. It's a major step to the office, and once that's done, the rest of it will really come together, and then we got some big moves to make. So I said I was going to film it, but I feel like this is important for you guys to at least see what's going on here since we filmed everything else. So we did more sanding. We basically sanded all the high spots of all the compound as you would, just like Bondo. And of course, with that, there's still a lot of low spots and there's still a lot of pinholes and stuff. So that means we have to do a second layer of what?
Compounded mud.
It looks like you're baking here, dude.
I can make a pretty good cake. Don't know if we want to eat this one or not.
It was like pizza dough.
Yeah.
I bet Drew would try it.
Who was the other one that ate the oil at that time?
It was Drew.
Oh boy. That we got to call him.
So literally what we have to do now is what we just did 2 days ago and lay this back on every...
Yeah, another coat. We did the first coat, get the second coat on, try again, fill the highs and lows, blend everything in, make it look as pretty as possible, and that's it.
Yeah, it sounds easier than executed, so let's get back to work. Fortunately, since this wall was already existing prior, it has like a weird amount of sheetrock on it. So Jason's getting crafty and filling the body line here. So it looks like, and then Jason's working his magic. Not bad, right?
Not too bad.
Unlike a car, it's really okay if you just fill it up with compound. Gets the job done. So Jason's finishing up the corners for us. I think Brian and I are actually going to attempt the ceiling by ourselves. So
We gave you enough schooling. I think we can trust
yeah, I think we can handle it. Plus Brian's good at that stuff. So. Drew too just showed up, and I think Jason and I were both curious. How does it taste?
What? Oh God, I'm not putting that in my mouth.
Come on!
I'll give it a whiff. Just kill me. Have you tasted it?
Don't do a lot. Yeah, it won't.
He said, "Don't do a lot." I'm kind of off it.
No jip.
It has no flavor.
Yeah. I don't know.
That's it.
Ugh, that was a little worse. Yeah, definitely chalky.
I got some barbecue sauce. Will that help?
Yeah, maybe some ranch. Jimmy and I both love ranch.
Well, thank you for the sake of YouTube.
Gotcha. You know the vibes.
Are you gonna pass the torch? I guess I'm doing that part.
Pass the torch.
All right, B. I'm gonna be the bronze. You're gonna be the brain in this operation. All right.
All right. I don't know if those two things translate, but
I'm gonna spread all the heavy stuff, and you're gonna make it look pretty. All right.
yeah, we're both gonna be half bronze, half brains.
And full disclaimer, I am not a sheetrock or taper.
Yeah, but you look like one right now.
Don't I?
All right. It's all about the appearance. I already got it all in my hand. I'm a sheetrocker.
All right, ceiling's all banged out. Well, the easy part is now we let it dry and sand it off, and hopefully that's all we have to do. I kind of suck at this. Look, I got more on the ground than I think I got in the ceiling.
Yeah, everything sucks when you suck at it. Right?
That
More Bihal-isms.
that's good. Yeah, write that down. Yeah, whatever. We're here. We're official sheetrockers. That's right, we rock. So I am so happy we're done with that for today. We'll get back to it another day. So that's literally all you have to do with sheetrock. You got to lay your mud wherever there's a dip or crease or whatever, and you sand it off until it looks smooth. That's it. Just sucks. So I don't think any fun car stuff's gonna happen tonight because I think both our asses are kicked, and I didn't order any fun parts. So what should we do instead?
Submail.
Yeah, let's do some sub mail.
All right, let's do it.
All right, looks like we got a couple cool ones. I'm gonna sit down. I'm tired.
This thing's got some weight to it.
You want to start with that one or what?
Well, you know what? I picked it up, so we're gonna let fate decide today.
This is like a great pick me up. I swear.
This is the reason why we're always in such a great mood.
You never know what you're gonna get.
What
do we got?
It's a freaking welcome mat.
No way.
Dude, how thoughtful. Makes it.
Oh, that's so great. Look at that thing. That's cool. It's like one of those
that.
tough ones too.
Makes it feel like home.
Now the question is, do we put this outside the main door or outside the office door? Is there a name on this?
This definitely feels like an outdoor floor mat.
Someone's gonna steal it. We'll put it outside the office.
All right. There was no name, no note, no nothing.
Whoever sent it to us, you know who you are. Comment below and better not lie who it is because we've got some phonies before.
If you're a phony, just hold it. Hold your breath. If you're the real deal, let us know.
Thank you. That's a really cool one. I really like that. Thank you, homeboy. Or homegirl, whoever sent it.
Whoever sent this. This one's got a pineapple.
Here, do this one. Good old-fashioned Amazoner.
No way! I'm hyped. It's kind of sad that I get hyped over freaking macaroni and cheese.
I think it's because of our joke the last time. It's funny.
You're spot on there, Jimmy. It says, you looked pretty upset about the package turning out to be clips instead of macaroni. But don't worry, I got you. Snack on, boys. Well, thank you, Brad.
Was that Brad?
Awesome. It was from
Dude,
Brad.
that's sick. Yo, these are awesome because these are some like great shop snacks because we can just throw this in the microwave and we're good to go.
I'm hyped.
You guys are always keeping us fed.
Dude, Brad knew we had the blues and he hooked it up with the freaking all original Kraft macaroni and cheese. This is why I love Submail, the variety. From a floor mat to a freaking box of freaking macaroni.
You know what's great though? It's like,
dude.
What we got here?
Something huge. All right, just cut the clip.
Oh my lord. Dude, what is...
It's a Euro fight.
What? Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the biggest one this is the biggest package we've ever gotten.
There's
a note.
Hey Jimmy and gang, here's a little something to make the V-dubs feel at home in the shop. Been a sub since your Z and taillight video. Your Z taillight video you did in your kitchen.
That's my first DIY.
Cheers, Jeff in Vancouver. P.S. K-swap?
Huh?
I think you sent us some more stuff. Let's see.
What? There's more? Oh, dude! Oh, no way!
I needed this 25 minutes ago.
Well, now we have it. Oh, these are so nice.
And torque sockets, which is always awesome. And look, it came with the freaking always elusive 3/8 the quarter-inch drive step up.
Wow, these are really nice.
Dude, Jeff is the man. Thank you, Canada. Canadians are always super nice. I gotta say, I don't know, other countries, you should step up your game. Maybe it's us that's the problem. I'm just used to Americans. But Canadians are always super nice.
Wow, I'm kind of in awe about this one.
I like it.
This is really awesome.
I like this giant freaking...
Hold on, go lay down next to it for scaling. Get your dirty self off that. There we go. This is how big. Dude, this is going to take over the...
It's got to go right there.
Oh my god, where do you even buy something this large?
I think he stole it. Jeff?
I hope he stole it. Jeff, I'm speechless. That is unreal. Like, this is cool. That's all, like, this thing's just something I would have never expected that in a million years. And of course, tools, like, we love getting tools because we use them and we need them all the time. And all that does is make our life easier. And like, I mean, that's all we can hope for.
You know how he's a Euro guy if he had a pick set and definitely the torque sockets. But the torque sockets.
No, the 30-foot banner definitely didn't give it away.
Word.
We opened, what, 3 packages so far, and it's already a banger.
All right, let's see what the little guy is. It's a 6?
What's the next one going to be?
Whatever you want it to be. What is going on over here? Why did somebody send us this? Somebody just ordered the number 6 and the number 9 from Home Depot.
I think this is the house number for the new office.
Ah.
Shit. 6. There we go.
Now we just need a mailbox and a little exterior lampage.
Tasteful. Do you think the same person ordered this or what?
I think the same person.
The same person ordered this.
What did I say?
Oh, that's a piece and a
Freaking
half.
sconce.
Is that the name of it?
I think it's a sconce.
Where the
right?
hell have you ever heard that before?
Dude, I'm freaking cultured, man.
Sconce. I've never heard the word sconce. Like, Brian, why do you know these random things?
Told you.
No, it's upside down.
No.
No, it's a hanger sconce.
How do you know?
Because I'm cultured. Okay, that's a fire piece. That's exactly what I wanted. Dude, that's cool. Hold on, you know what's funny? We got another piece of something.
Does it go up here
No,
in the middle? Or does it go, like, we gotta watch Harry Potter and make sure we do it right?
I like that. I like that a lot. That's cool. That's exactly what I was picturing too.
Oh man, this is so sweet.
All right,
I can't wait till the office is done because you guys are gonna send us crazy little trinkets. I'm so excited.
Okay, well, there's another box in the sub mail that I didn't grab, but I think it goes along with these.
More Home Depot? Somebody said you'll help.
Show them the picture. Yep, it's a goddamn mailbox.
Maybe we should bust out the drill.
There we go. We got the full kit now. There we go. Someone just sent us the full office kit right there.
Wow.
Subs are hilarious.
I saw the comment. Somebody mentioned like this is all the stuff we needed, but throwing in the 69, that was a nice touch. Dude,
Yo, get your dirty little mitts off that
what do you
thing.
think it's for? Oh shit, I already fucked up. All right, it's gonna happen. It's bound to happen.
All right, we just opened up 6 packages and they were all bangers. I'm so excited.
That was a good one. That was a fun one.
That's a fun one. You guys, I always say it, we have the greatest subscribers of all time. You guys are so thoughtful. You guys are just creative and you guys are just super funny. And I think it shows in all of these packages. I mean, what? I don't know. I'm hyped, dude. Thanks for making this long day end with some fun with the sub mail. We always appreciate it. We have a great time. If you guys want to be a part of it, where's the address?
In the description.
Yeah, check it out. Send something fun, thoughtful, useful, something stupid, something gross that Brian can eat. And yeah,
I thought Drew was the taste tester.
Well, you're when he's not here.
Send something edible. Drew will eat the non-edibles. I'll eat the edibles.
Fair enough.
Maybe I shouldn't have. Oh man. I was just.
Yeah, it's okay. All right, so though we didn't have the funnest day ever laying a compound, but it's part of the build, and we of course have to show the steps so you guys can get the full effect. So with that, you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content.
And have a great night.